Today I'm doing a simple unboxing of this brand new product from AYANEO, the AYANEO Pocket FIT. It's their latest offering, the 8-inch Pocket FIT. And it just arrived today. I actually just unboxed it. This is the outer casing, and it's really well made, especially since it's a special collaboration with the little yellow duck. They did a great job with the design, capturing the essence of the little yellow duck perfectly, which really adds to its appeal. It's quite impressive. I'd say it's pretty good. I mean, for what it is, it's definitely not bad at all. I'm actually quite impressed with the overall presentation, especially considering the collaboration they did. It's actually quite beautifully done, it really is, despite the fact that it's only a single layer, just one layer of paper. But the overall tactile feel and the build quality are quite exceptional, wouldn't you agree? And on the inside, this is actually what we have. Most people who didn't buy the collaboration version will probably just get this. I haven't actually unboxed the main unit from its packaging yet. This is still just the outer shell, you see, so I haven't really gotten to the device itself. So, here's the actual device itself, the machine. The device itself, the texture is really beautiful, wow, and the feel of it in my hand is absolutely fantastic. Alright, let's just place the device right here for a moment, and then we can take a good look at what else might be in this box, shall we? There's a cable, specifically a C-to-C type. And then we have these joystick caps. These are the flat ones. Oh, I see, these are the larger caps, and these over here are the smaller ones. To be precise, this particular one is the smaller size, and this one right here is the larger size. I'll just put that in first. There should be. Oh, there are also some documents inside, like the manual and certificates. I guess I won't open it then, to avoid tampering with anything, right? And because there was a shipping delay this time, they included some extras, like a screen protector, a tempered glass one. I actually haven't gotten around to unboxing it yet, so it's still in its packaging. There's also a case, and this case has raised and indented sections. This provides a distinct and interesting tactile experience, making it quite unique to the touch, and adding a lot to its overall appeal. It has that classic new product smell, you know, a very nice milky fragrance, just wonderful, that's what it is. The whole thing goes right in, perfectly. It fits absolutely flawlessly, like a glove, with no gaps at all, and it's a very snug fit. And then there's also one more thing to show you, which is also really interesting, and I think you'll find it quite intriguing. And then there's this other thing, which looks kind of like a lady's purse or handbag. I definitely wouldn't be using this for myself, and honestly, my stuff wouldn't even fit in it. Maybe it's actually meant for my Mini, or perhaps even for the Air. Yeah, this one could actually be quite perfect for my Air. The Mini could potentially fit in there, just perfectly actually. As for the device, I actually haven't had the opportunity to switch it on for the very first time yet. Let me just finish booting it up. Give me a moment here. The power button, it's this one right here. And there's still a protective film on the top layer, you know what I mean? It's like a screen protector. Oh my goodness, wow. Okay, this is the settings page I was looking for. It's really intuitive and easy to navigate, which is a great start. Alright, so this is exactly how it looks right now, at this very moment. Let's just take a look. I've really been looking forward to checking this out firsthand. An 800 series processor, running Android 16. That's actually quite impressive. There's no real need for me to go into too much detail about the storage devices and all those other components, is there?
不讨厌麻烦。 节省行动方案。
6，一个不留。
感受大地的力量。末日跳跃，
4要放。
还得这倾倒在正义之下吧！如火！焚烧黑暗，节省行动方案。
4要放。